Morning guys! Today pupunta tayo sa school ni Kuya Ellis and Kuya Elijah kasi si Ellis meron siyang Christmas concert at 10 a.m. So, I'll see you guys there. Snowing today guys. Wow, beautiful. What's up guys? Dito na tayo sa school nila Ellis. And we got these people with me.
Presented by Red.
Okay guys, lumalabas na sila ngayon. I think they're gonna perform soon. Hi Olivia! Hi Olivia! There's Olivia. There's Olivia right there. Nahihiya pa eh. Ayun si Sheila pala oh. Katabi ni Olivia din. There's Ellis. Hi Ellis! Hi! There's Ellis. Guys, nakita niyo na ba si Ellis? Where's Ellis? Nakatago sa likod dun eh. Nasaan ba yun? Nandun. Ayun, kumakaway. Yun, si Ellis. There's Ellis. Hi Olivia. Hi Sheila. There's Olivia and Sheila. There's Ellis. Unahan pa si Ellis oh. Wow. Good job Ellis. Yun yata yung crush niya no. Si Alicia.
As you can see from the excitement up here on the stage as well as the
Yeah.
special day.
There's Kuya Ellis oh.
We're very excited to share this special concert with you to celebrate the joy and magic of this season.
Kuya Ellis turn. You see Kuya Ellis? job, Kuya Ellis. Start again. Hey guys, so tapos na si Kuya Ellis. Tapos na yung concert niya. Let's go. Right, Kuya?
Yeah,
How was that?
good.
Good? You like it? Hindi masyadong narinig eh. Dahil mahina yung mga boses nila. Papaulit na lang natin kay Ellis mamaya. Right, Kuya Ellis?
Huh?
Papaulit natin sa'yo
Good.
yung kanta mo para marinig nila. Kasi hindi narinig kanina eh.
Okay.
Okay? Gonna sing, okay?
Okay.
Okay. See you at home.
You.
A few moments later.
So guys, di ba hindi nyo narinig yung singing ni Kuya Ellis? So ngayon ipe-perform niya daw yung kinanta niya doon sa concert kanina.
Meet say gloves, gloves say meet and soft and warm, just like it seems real. Keep my fingers nice and snap, cozy as a big bear hug. Roar!
Good job! Woo! That's it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe and share this video.
peace.